You gotta get this table flattened out. So put the brackets on first and then figure out a way to kind of clamp this table to the brackets. My last video I was telling you this thing kind of came potato chipped, and so you're supposed to weld it where the bend is down and then kind of start clamping it in the middle so that that potato chip kind of works its way out to the outsides, and then you can clamp the outsides. So that's what we're going to try and do. Another thing, oh gosh, it's right there. I found it. I found the thing. The thing I've been looking for. This thing's getting hot. No gaps that I can see. All right. Time to weld. Now that I got the middle tacked out, I'm going to go ahead and go catty corner here. I don't want to concentrate heat too much in one spot. Probably catty corner here, and then these two middle parts here. Some of these spot welds aren't the greatest welds in the world, but I'm not a professional. A couple of bad welds when the other 15 or so are pretty good. I mean, I did take an 8-week course at the Adult Community Center, so I ought to be able to do something right. flip it over, should be flat. What we can do is come back, and you see all these tabs, and these are all flush. So what I can do is come back and just kind of weld inside of each one of these tabs, and then each one of these tabs will then be welded to the top plate. So everything will be good and stable, and I'm not having to depend on those little tack welds that I did underneath. So I guess I'll go ahead and weld these tabs together, and we'll call it a day for now. Almost 70 degrees today, and in the shop with long sleeves on, and I'm sweating like crazy, so I'm gonna call it a day. Come back next time, start working on some legs for this table, and then once the table's done, start working on a welding cart so I can get this stupid thing off of a chair. So yeah, got a lot of projects to do. We're still working hard. I'm trying to get this shop usable. So if you like what you saw today, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. And also, if you would like a notification whenever a new video is posted, please click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted. So till next time, my name is Matt Walker. This is Sonnie's Place. Adios.